Hey, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Can We Talk About Your WordPress Projects? These are some little short ones I'm doing in preparation for our client acquisition workshop, which is coming up a week from today. It is open to all members of the WP Project Managers Academy, and you can join for free and join us in that workshop if you'd like to. Okay, so what we're talking about this afternoon is your offer statement. You know, it's a lot more important than you think. Not just for you, but not just for your clients, but for you also. So what do I mean by your offer statement? You've probably heard this in other broadcasts by other folks. Okay, so what your offer statement is that statement that says what the product or service that you offer, or product or services that you offer, who you offer it for or to, and what problem does it solve. Now that seems really simple, right? But what typically happens is, because you get all this advice from all these different gurus who say you've got to niche down, you've got to identify this, you've got to do that. And really, this is what it boils down to. If this will help you find your niche, and it will help you target your lead acquisition to the right folks. Okay, so let me move to the next slide. So here's an example. We build websites for nonprofits. Okay, here's what's missing here. There's no what. Well, actually, there is a what, but it's too broad. We build websites. What does that mean? Why do you build websites? What problem does that solve? And the who, just nonprofits, all nonprofits? That's just not specific enough. And you're not saying what problem you solve. So this is not a good offer statement. Now, this is better. We build websites for nonprofit, social, and civic clubs. Okay, so now you're getting a little more specific about who your target audience is. And this only helps you to narrow things down like this. But the what is still too general. You build websites. What does that mean? What problem does that solve? The who here is a lot better, but the problem is still missing. Okay, and then this is a little bit even better. We help nonprofit, social, and civic clubs with annual revenues in excess of $100,000, increase member enrollment, member engagement, and donations. Okay, so look, you have specified what problem you're solving. You're helping them increase enrollment, increase in member engagement, and donations. And that's really what most civic and social clubs are looking to do, right? You've also specified for yourself that you're looking for those nonprofits who have revenues in excess of 100,000. Okay, so this is way better, but there's still a what that's missing. Okay, so how are you going to do that? We help nonprofit, social, and civic clubs with annual revenues in excess of 100K, increase member enrollment, member engagement, and donations. Well, how do you do that? Are you going to go out and make door-to-door visits, right? Because this doesn't say anything about websites. So you still got the what is missing. So the best one, this is the best example, is we help nonprofit, social, and civic clubs with annual revenues in excess of 100K, increase member enrollment, member engagement, and donations via their website and other online channels. So now you have really specified exactly what you do, how you're going to do it. You've narrowed your audience down to something that's really manageable and a target you can actually hit. And so here's some more examples of some good ones. We provide website copywriting services to digital agencies for projects where the copywriting budget is 5K or greater. Really good, really specific about what, if you're doing copywriting services, who you're offering that to, and what kind of digital agency, what is the narrow niche that you're going for, only if their budget is 5K or greater. Here's another one. We help small to medium businesses assess and upgrade broken, out of date, or just plain ugly websites. So that's very specific. You've got small to medium businesses. It's kind of specific because that's kind of have different to everybody. So you might want to specify what the annual revenue is for those businesses. And you're saying exactly what you do In this case, it's a very technically focused kind of work as opposed to being more of a sales funnel or that sort of thing, or get more leads or get more clients or get more customers or sell more. We're doing much more, and this company is doing much more of a technical kind of solution. Another good example is we provide 5 to 10 page brochure type websites for clients with a budget of 10K or higher. And there are people who have brochure websites that end up costing that much, if they're depending on what the needs are. I know that there are some people that pay that, but if that's what your niche is, if that's the target you want to go after, then this is how you specify that in a really concise way. So Ella says, I build presentation websites and small online shops for professionals and small businesses to increase their profit. Very good, Ella. That's very well said. So if you're going to join us in the client acquisition workshop, and even if you're not, this is what you need to really be thinking about before you can sit down and come up with a lead acquisition and a client acquisition strategy, is you have to have your offer statement really nailed down. And so that's why I wanted to come on here this afternoon and give you a little precursor to that. And we will work on this in the client acquisition workshop as well. So that's all for today, guys. These are going to be, as I mentioned before, really short, just kind of overviews of different topics. So thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of this, and I hope to see you in the client acquisition workshop on next Monday. It's a 2-hour workshop, and we're going to put our heads down and actually do the work. It's not just a webinar. We're going to actually do the work, and you'll have some things to walk away with, and I will be sending out the worksheets the day before the workshop. Oh, you're welcome, Ella. Thank you for being here and for watching. And until I see you guys next time, hopefully tomorrow, and hopefully I'll look a little better tomorrow. I didn't sleep last night. My dog ate chocolate, and I was really, really worried about him. And so he slept right next to me, but I was terrified that he was going to die during the night. But he's fine. I don't think he really ate it. I think he just kind of chewed on it. He didn't really eat it. So that's why I'm just kind of out of it right now. I'm very tired, and I don't look very good. But until I see you next time, stay productive, stay strong, and never stop learning. See you soon. Bye.